I want to do the half top area in white, shiny white, and the bottom stays like this. This is 3-stage pearl white. So guys, this Maybach we done a while back. This had 20-inch wheels. We made the stock wheels into 22s. So for 2 inches stock look, we made it a bit bigger. But now he's back, so we have an idea that we're gonna do on this car. The top section, we're gonna do shiny white. It's been going back and forth for 3 days. Hey, the key not detected here.
That's good here?
Yeah, it's good. You just have to wipe it down. Car's detailed, ready. Customer's on the way. Take a famous line.
What did we do this? I don't even know what we did.
We did top section. We did a white wrap on top, and the customer's on the way, ready to pick it up.
What color is this?
Just regular high gloss white. So the customer's on the way, ready to pick it up.
We have a customer that did like his car's gloss white, and we did like a matte satin white in the middle.
He didn't like that.
You can't even tell.
No, but this one you can't even tell it's been done.
Yeah.
Look at that. He's a very low-key kind of guy.
Forgot to paint the rest of the car. What are you doing right now?
Putting the hydraulic on this one.
Hydraulic what?
Lift to this.
Oh, it's this thing's car. Okay. Is this Shalizi's car?
Shalizi's car. My brother Shalizi.
It's funny, every time Shalizi comes here, our good friend Mo Shalizi, every time he comes here, all the employees, they just start yelling, Shalizi! And he's one of them here. We're putting a lift kit on this car. Yeah, so Javier's on it. This is a lot of work actually. So he started when, Javier? Yesterday?
Yeah, pardon, yesterday.
Started yesterday. So when do you think you'll be done with this thing?
Yeah, probably today.
Probably today. It's not
today?
Yeah.
It's
Maybe.
not that hard?
Every time he says today, it's about a week after. So.
Oh, you're sick?
Yeah, get sick.
Just look at this beautiful thing. It looks like we did nothing, right? Obviously, you don't know what's going on with this thing because it looks like we've done nothing to it. This Tesla here came in because it was starting to already have like rock chips and stuff like that on the car. So customer didn't want to actually have more damages to it. So now the car is completely protected. We did a full gloss cover on the car from front all the way to back. The whole complete car is protected, everything on it. And we're detailing it right now, washing it, getting ready. Customer's excited, on the way.
They're always on the way.
The steering wheel is, does that mean it's a plaid?
The S has that steering wheel too.
It does? Okay.
Yeah. What are you doing in this car?
Oh, nothing, just
Just hanging out?
hanging out, yeah. Nothing to do. You know, Big is not here.
Oh yeah.
When the king is not in the...
In the den?
Uh-huh. So, all the animals make parties, you know.
Well, looks like you're doing something.
Killing time.
Oh, your fake work.
Exactly.
It looks good to Sarkis, right?
Yeah.
Looks like you're busy. That's all that matters.
Sarkis say, I don't do shit, so...
This custom bumper?
This is Missouri.
Oh, this is Mansory.
Mansuri. It's Mansuri. Mansuri?
What happened to the headlights?
So what happened? I don't know. The history about this car. Somebody buy online and
Oh, you guys are gonna buff them or?
yeah, we're gonna take it out. They're gonna send it down. Maybe clear coat or polish. It's plastic.
You're the hardest worker.
Yeah,
Here.
for sure. 100%. Everybody knows that.
You don't even have to tell anybody.
I don't.
You just do it.
Yep. Put your work, put your mouth where your work is. Did I say it right? All right, so here we go. So we just got his real wheels in right now. Yeah. These are nice, huh?
Yeah.
I like the center caps.
You're a liar. you never keep your promise. He's like Vic.
That's it. We're gonna go home now.
We'll see. That's a new weight, right? No.
So this is for one of our clients who has purchased many wheels from us. This is for a brand new Audi R8. He just got the car, and this particular rim, you guys can see the barrel. It's a special custom color, and this thing we matched it with the exterior paint code as a car. So which is it's called Suzuka Gray. It's on the new Audi R8. It's called Suzuka Gray. So we did the barrel in Suzuka Gray with the satin black center. It looks beautiful, and yeah, he's gonna bring the car in Tuesday. We'll get this on.
Oh, you did that?
No, I have to fix that.
Oh, you have to fix it.
Yeah, the owner he buy, but he coming like this. So he bring it over here for.
So it came like
What do you want? ¿Qué es eso?
¿A dónde estaba este bote?
Me lo dio
Allá estaba.
no sé estaba, lo agarró Félix.
Sí, pero trae la mano porque lo dejó en el carro del bando.
No lo he tocado.
No, deme la mano.
No lo he tocado.
Deme la mano, Luis.
No lo he tocado.
Deme la mano, Luis.
No lo he tocado, no entiende.
Sí, pues. También se tomó su cinnamon milk que ya la dejó.
¿Quién se tomó esto?
Usted lo tomó.
I told you, we have party today.
Moses, tell my manager
Shiny black,
all
yeah.
the time. Please.
Please. I don't have to tell your manager. I'm the manager.
Oh.
Shiny black.
Oh.
Shiny black.
They forgot to close the wall. That's
Yeah, that's a real boss over there.
It's good.
Okay, we got it.
It works.
You putting in this car?
Yeah.
Gotta make it work.
Will it fit?
Okay.
Damn, that deserves a good yell.
That's it. Yeah, it's done.
What can't he do?
Nothing. I said I'm gonna hit you one day. I just don't know when. You keep following me around that stupid thing.
All the lines. See
From
right here?
factory or from
No, somebody put the bumpers nursery. See right here? Same thing. So we figured it out how make it fit better. Killing time.
snap on?
No,
Scratches?
it's just
Everyone's off at 6. Everyone left already. Yep, taking advantage when they're in Dubai.
When the bosses aren't here?
Yep, it's celebration time. Javier is working hard. I don't know why. He's not gonna get a check.
yeah, like always.
Actually, you get paid very well. Stop complaining. I think he got a raise.
Yeah?
Yeah, Vic gave him a raise.
You just tell Vic you're quitting and you get a raise.
If he likes you, it'll work. If he doesn't like you, he'll just say that's fine.
He'll
Go.
be like, alright, later.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
The key to RDB, get on Vic's good side and you can do whatever you want.
Not whatever, but you know, you might get some slack here and there.
That's how Sarkis stays here so long.
Yeah, I don't even exactly.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.